This is Dwight Howard.
A-Rod here. And Charlie Price. Dr. Mark Jenkins.
Hi, I'm Basketball Hall of Famer Nancy Lieberman.
5-time MLS All-Star.
World-ranked professional fitness model.
Owner and hairdresser. Interventional cardiologist.
The body's essential functions, like the beating of the heart, generate an electromagnetic field that surrounds the entire body. This field supports every vital system in the body. When it is in balance, the body can perform as it should. Unfortunately, injury, illness, and environmental factors can disrupt this delicate balance. cPRIME is powered by a patent-pending antenna that is designed to absorb and redirect the energy around your body, restoring its proper balance. This effect can result in an immediate impact on performance and an improvement in overall well-being.
I wear cPRIME.
cPRIME is absolutely the best.
cPRIME. Pass it on.
Pass it on.
Pass it on.
cPRIME's the answer. Pass it on.
cPRIME.
Pass it on.